View new homes. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to never miss new awesome homes like these.
Welcome to your dream home in Maine, where you can enjoy the best of both worlds, a cozy and comfortable camp with all the modern amenities, and a stunning lakefront location with breathtaking views of Unity Pond. Let me show you around this beautiful property, which is priced at only $275,000. As you enter the camp, you will be amazed by the spacious great room, which features a soaring cathedral ceiling and a majestic fieldstone fireplace. This is the perfect place to relax and entertain, as you can admire the serene lake from the large windows that surround the room. The fireplace also provides warmth and ambience during the colder months, making this camp a year-round retreat. The great room flows into the open-concept kitchen and dining area, which are also designed to maximize the water views. The kitchen is fully equipped with modern appliances, ample cabinet space. The dining area can accommodate a large table, where you can enjoy your meals with family and friends while overlooking the lake. The camp has 2 generous bedrooms, each with large double closets and enough space to sleep 6 or more people. The primary bedroom has an attached full bathroom, while the second bedroom has access to another full bathroom across the hall. Both bathrooms are updated and feature tiled floors and showers. The camp also has a laundry room for your convenience. One of the highlights of this camp is the front porch, which sits just feet from the water's edge. Here you can enjoy the fresh air and the panoramic views of Unity Pond, which is a 2,528-acre lake that offers excellent fishing, boating, swimming, and wildlife watching. The camp comes with an easy-to-install aluminum docking system, which allows you to access the lake with your own boat or kayak. You can also enjoy the sunsets and the stars from the porch, which has a seating area. The camp also has a 1-car garage, which provides extra storage space for your vehicles and equipment. The front yard is spacious and well-maintained, and it is ideal for outdoor activities like gardening, playing, or hosting a barbecue. The camp is situated between 2 neighboring properties, which offer privacy and security. This camp is truly a rare find, as it combines the charm and character of a traditional Maine camp with the comfort and convenience of a modern home. It is also located in a prime location, close to the town of Unity, which has shops, restaurants, schools, and other amenities. Whether you are looking for a peaceful sanctuary or a communal escape, this camp is the perfect place for you. Don't miss this opportunity to own your own slice of Maine paradise. Click the link in the description to schedule a showing.